Now, let's learn how to apply lookup table onto your clip. First, drag and drop your clip on the timeline. Then, go to the New Item menu and then select New Adjustment Layer. Now, drag and drop the adjustment layer above your clip on the timeline. Now, go to the Effects menu and search for Lumetri Color. Once you find it, drag and drop the Lumetri Color effect onto your adjustment layer. Now on your color panel, you will see Creative menu. Click that and browse for your LUT and select it. Now, your LUT has been applied on your clip. You can adjust the intensity as per your preferences. That's it. Press Ctrl+M to export your video. Select the format of your video and click Export. Now your video has been exported. That's it. Now you have learned how to apply lookup table on your clip.